Hello die lotters. I wanted to show you some of the features of our new ColorCue EZ. You'll see that we have a brand new icon. Let's say we have a job, a customer has a beige carpet with some bleach spots they want us to fix. We're going to go ahead and open the EZ. Let's click on it. And we're going to start a new job. Click on the plus sign in the top right hand corner. And the first thing you'll notice is the new EZ button on the bottom left hand corner. We're going to go ahead and click on that button. And that brings up a screen where we can measure the carpet color. Now you see the little black square in the center of the screen. What we're going to do is put that square over the carpet color and measure our target color. If I want to make that box bigger, click on Menu in the top right hand corner. Click on the magnifying glass, and I can make it larger. Click on it again. It gets even bigger. If I want to make it even bigger, click on the full-size view in the center. Click on it again. It gets even bigger. But let's go back to the original size. Click on the magnifying glass. We're going to put that box over the original carpet color, which is our target. And when I find a color that looks good, I'm going to click on Pick in the bottom right hand corner. That looks perfect. Very good. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and measure the color of the bleached area. So we're going to touch the box that says Fade. We're going to touch the Easy button again. And let's go ahead and measure the color of the bleached area. That looks perfect. If we touch the equal sign, that shows us the colors we need to use. Looks like a tertiary purple, mostly blue, almost as much red, but we have some yellow in there as well. Let's go ahead and add some notes to this job. This is a brand new feature. Click on Add Notes. And I can add all the information about the job. Let's start with the color formula. I'm going to start with yellow, because yellow is the most dominant color in this beige. We always start with the most dominant color. We'll try 2 drops of yellow. And the EZ shows we need to use some red as well. So for our red, let's go ahead and try 1 drop. And we need a little bit of blue, so we're going to use just a dab. Don't forget the striking agent. Now we're doing this job for Mrs. Smith, so I'm going to go ahead and add the information for the customer as well. Mrs. Smith, and let's add her telephone number in case I need to reach out to her. Perfect. Click Done. Now if I'm ready to do this job, I can click on Edit Notes, and that's going to bring up all the information on the job where I can see the color formula and all of the customer information. That looks great. Okay, let's go ahead and save this job. Click on Save in the top right hand corner, and we will name this job Mrs. Smith. Okay, if I click on that, that brings up a nice view that shows the colors in full size, also the percentages we're going to use. I can view the job information by clicking on View Notes, and there's all the information on the job. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and email this job to myself, so click on Email in the bottom left-hand corner. That way I can have a permanent record of this job on my computer in my office. So, Mrs. Smith, and let's go ahead and send that message. Okay, message sent. Okay, now what happens if I touch the back button in the top left-hand corner? Am I going to lose this job? Let's find out. Nope, it brings up a message. Would you like to cancel the job, yes or no? This way you're not going to lose your jobs if you accidentally touch that back button. So I'm going to click no. I'm going to save the job, let's try that again. Hit the back button. Okay, yes, this time I chose to cancel the job. Now, we can also use the ColorCue EZ the original way, like the original ColorCue app. So let's try that. Click the plus sign, top right-hand corner. We're going to start a new job, and I'm going to touch images in the center at the bottom. Touch images, then I'm going to touch camera. And let's go ahead and take a photo of the carpet we're fixing. Okay, that photo looks good, so click on Use Photo. Now the first thing you'll see is that circle in the top left-hand corner is now much bigger, and the squares for the different colored pixels, they're also much larger. That makes it a lot easier for choosing your color to match your target and your fade. Okay, that looks good. Click on Pick, top right-hand corner. Awesome. All right, next we're going to measure the color of the bleached area, so let's touch Fade. And touch Images again to bring up that same photo, and let's go ahead and measure the color of the bleached area. Again, look how big that circle is with the pixels, much easier. Okay, touch Equals, and there's the colors that we need to use. If I want to add notes to this job, click on Add Notes. This time, I'm not going to add any notes. Okay, very good. Now, I'm going to go ahead and save this. We'll name this one Mrs. Smith 2. Save. Okay. Now I'm going to need some dies to do this job. So if I click on the eyedropper icon in the top left-hand corner, that's going to automatically take me to the die training website where I can order dies, striking agent, or anything else that I may need to complete this job. Click on Die Equipment. Makes it easy for ordering materials that you need. So the ColorCue EZ, it truly does make it much easier to fix bleach spots, create custom colors for your customers, and the ColorCue EZ is only available to members of the Die Lot.